Welcome back, guys, Crypto for Life channel. Let's double check what's happened recently on the crypto markets and what we can expect by end of August and September. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I don't think so. It was the double top like in Zone 21, but on the daily time frame pattern for a BTC. I think by seasonality, October, November will hit another all-time high. The lines, guys, will start curve down. And the top can be around, I guess, 139, 145. So let's double check here on the beat stump, this chart, what I shared before. I don't think so. We're going to drop to test 161.95K 900. I don't think so. It's possible. Yes, of course, guys. Everything possible. So take a look. Recently, we just dumped it on the daily time frame. So 12%. So can we drop another 12% from now, or even 14 here? 12, exactly. Magic, right? Possible. So in general, it's gonna be like 22% correction. Still not like 50% or so. Not that bad. Lines, guys. Once again, I repeat, will start curve down, and I think in the next few months we will see the top of the top for BTC. I don't believe, guys, it's just my humble opinion, in 200K for BTC, 250, 300, 500 for BTC this cycle. You know, for me personally, it's just absolutely nonsense numbers. We will see. Maybe this cycle will be extended in time. We can't know. I mean, extended in time, it can be like this move, retest, consolidation, and another impulse to 182. I don't think so also, but possible. So what happened now on a BTC? Nothing special. No rush to open some long position or so. So we close the weekly gap, full fill. The next step, guys, is possible test of take profit line 105K for 148 at this current moment. It's a test of take profit line about this one. I don't believe, honestly, in test of 95, 900, just to be honest. Only if we'll see some like a black swan or something bad. Also, the great example, guys, we didn't see any bad news here. The problem with the market now, and what I hate, everything pre-planned before, all the time, 3 times. Zone 23, Zone 24, Zone 25, every single time when the German post spec at Jackson Hole, we see this pump, everybody open longs and dump. Every single time, just literally. And it's kind of weird. Of course, we can say like, oh, why we not use that patterns if they play out all the time? Because we can't predict the future. We can't predict the future. That's the point. But I'm happy I'm not open any position now in long. I'm bought and made a mistake, just kind of a local mistake. I bought the Cody kind of high. I'm still waiting the ICP lower. I'm still waiting the maybe the near protocol lower. Because why lower? Because here the problem can be with the alts. If the BTC will test it to push the price BTC higher, most likely the liquidity once again outflow from the altcoins and the BTC dominance will go higher. So to put the price higher from now, for example, 27%, I think the BTC dominance will bounce back and the alts slowly drop again. Maybe. Based on weekly time frame, guys, at least there was no signal to sell. Time to fixation was here. That's why I think we will see this move, and it's hard to say, around October, November, it can be the top of the top. So it can be even, for example, end of middle of October, for example. Let's say like this one, some consolidation by end of I don't know, even December, spike to 145, for example, and drop. And it's going to be the end of cycle for BTC. That's why, guys, be careful. Be careful with the longs position now. So for BTC, nothing special, guys. I waited the test of the take profit above, maybe in I don't think so by end of this month. I think in September it's possible to see. Daily time frame, we tested an order block, this one. So tested, if we even count just by body candle, so tested an order block. So the next step is here. This one is 107k 100 till even 105. With the weak candle, we can just sweep this liquidity and go higher. I don't see BTC now under 100k, honestly. Let's double check, guys, the Ethereum. What this candle's about. For me, it's just absolutely weird. So we absorb all that pumps. Here we tested on the daily time frame above the take profit line. So the next step is, if we go in deeper correction, it's 4k 191, this one, and the test of this hypothetical downtrend line, it's around 3k 857. September, it's possible. So this is a worst case scenario. Everybody will open short position, and we bounce it to the new all-time highs again. I don't think so. This was just a sweep of the high. So we waited like 197 weeks, wait the new all-time high, and that's it? I don't think so. I think they need to bring more hype, more euphoria to wreck all retails again at so high price. They not finish their distribution. I mean, the whales, they accumulated as much as possible. Ethereum here, Ethereum here, Ethereum here. So they needed time to distribute step by step, 1, 2, for example, 3. And here the retailers buying, here's the retailers who buying. So that's the point. It's not enough. This candle is not enough to distribute their backs and out in a profit. Approximately, guys, they can fix the profit here, like DCA, but step by step to fix the profit. So they can't just sell, for example, here, because it's going to be the candle like this one. No, they need to fix here by DCA, here, here. Approximately the average out price will be like 7. So that's the point. If we check on the weekly time frame, here we got a signal to sell. That's why for Ethereum also possible to see the test of take profit line above. So BTC around here now. So take profit, it's a 3k 893. Imagine the panic sales if we tested this block. Locally now we in fixation zone also 86, 78. So it's hard to say, guys, but would be good. Would be good to see this move and go higher. So to close the why this demonstration so weird? No, let's draw with this. So it can be fixation of the fulfill weekly gap and the test with the weak candle, some 3k 800. I don't think so in 3k 659, but it's not a big deal, you know. If we will drop a little bit lower from now, it's like 12%, but it will be the opportunities for the altcoins, not for Ethereum, guys. Once again, I repeat, time to buy Ethereum was here. So for what? To invest in Ethereum for risky 76% and for potential, I don't know, drop 25 again. Based on risk ratio, it's not a good deal. So for Ethereum, nothing special, guys. Now let's take a look with money power. For Ethereum here, fixation being in Joule. Now no fixation. The same story like with the BTC. Monthly time frame also, guys. So this is not a like fixation time. Here they needed time. 1, 2, 3 months in a row they fixed the profit here. That's why we need to see, I don't know, maybe by end of September they will start to fix a profit like 1, 2, 3 by end of November, or from October, like 1, 2, 3 fixation and drop. I think the best case if we will see the red September and new all-time high in October, November. Cardano, Guys, what's happening now? I don't think so. We're gonna drop on a monthly time frame to the buy line. It's 33 cents. I don't think so. But on the weekly time frame, here, same story. We tested the take profit line above this one. The next step is 74 cents 72, and the buy line 41.60. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the 41.60. It's kind of too low, right? And the daily time frame, we rejected a take profit line. So yes, for Cardano, logical drop will be 74, 73, for example. Yes, it sounds logical. Chart looks danger, right? Definitely. I don't think so. We're gonna drop again to test the main zone of accumulation like 27, but Cardano, if we compare with all other top 10 tokens, most oversold. So 12-hour time frame, guys. Here the lines go higher. It means, you know, it's hard to say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Here, for example, let's imagine. So by middle of September, let's mark the vertical line. Here, 15th September. This one. Till that time, it can be this hypothetical move. For example, and we're gonna test that 12-hour time frame buy line. So this is like consolidation. So between 84 and let's say 72. So yes, in this range we can consolidate by by middle of September and go higher. So we will gotta leave this mark. We'll come back and check later. I don't think so. We're gonna drop now to the buy line 55. It's too low now. 12 time frame, no money inflow, no money outflow. Daily time frame, no money inflow. Money outflow was here in the middle of August, so need to wait some money inflow in Cardano. Let's add alert. Money power, money inflow here. Weekly time frame, no fixation, nothing. Monthly, still nothing. So here was money in, and never seen the money out this cycle yet. The main one, fixation. Here we need to see something like this one. 1 to 2 months at least in a row, money fixation. So for Cardano, everything okay. XRP, guys, maybe it looks also not that brightful like people waiting for. Where that the local and the global FIB. This is a global one. Charts looks also not that brightful like everybody waiting for, but the target like 480 and $5 is still possible. On the Binance, you know, we anyway formed some like triangle. That time I showed you how the co-founder of XRP fixed the profit. So weekly time frame, the take profit exit line about $2.16. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Take profit on the weekly $1.92. Also, I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Possible case for XRP, it's a test and the close of this one weekly gap. 256 would be good. Daily, step by step, we can see the signals to buy. Again, like buybacks, but would be good to see the drop again because too much liquidity. We'll leave it here. Here's the order flow. Here's a liquidity pool. So this is so obvious personally for me, you know, and we're gonna build that bigger triangle consolidation by middle of September and go higher. So this is a take. I don't think so. We're gonna see something like this one and drop to the buy line. No, I don't think so. Soon we will see a lot of hype about the altcoins. Plus, I think this spring we will see a lot of ETFs approves for different tokens. Maybe even the like Polkadot and Avalanche. So for XRP, guys, everything is still relevant, and I'm still waiting there. For 50 for I posted on this chart, this one. Need to add it to the list. This one, 480 and $5.50. It's a top of the top. I don't believe in XRP to $10 or so. 12 10 frame, guys. Also, I don't believe we're gonna drop that to the buy line. But once again, let's mark the vertical line like 15 September, like middle of the month. Here, this one. The same story, guys. It can be this consolidation, for example, and by end of this time, it can be here the test of the buy line on 12 time frame. So that's it. Take a look, guys, on Sol. The direction for Sol market in previous videos, guys, nothing changes. I believe in new all-time high for Sol. The worst case for Sol is drop to 167 at 0.5 level by FIB again. Buy line on 12 time frame for Sol is 121. I don't think so we're gonna drop that low, but we see some money outflow on Solana. Here's the money outflow was August 24, and now we reject at 189. So to grab all of this liquidity, it looks logical. It looks logical, guys. Here, this liquidity pool and this liquidity pool. So this is what I wish to see in September. Something like kind of this move and to the moon. I hate this cliche, but this is what I'm looking for. Honestly, also, if you even traded the trend lines, it's so attractive to wreck all of these guys. If I could be the market makers, I'm gonna just dump like crazy one candle down to liquidate everybody. So this one is weekly time frame. By the way, guys, here, BTC around here, Ethereum around here, Sol underrated, ADA underrated. If we compare with that 2-1, that's why Sol and Cardano looks more attractive for trades and for investment. If you want to invest now, I believe in the new all-time high for Sol 373 and 555, so it's possible to see. But yes, 167 is looks like a magnet now for Solana. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 145. It's too low. I think it's too low. Also, I don't like this like a weekly support line. Also, I hate that supports line. But even here, it looks attractive. Also, once again, by middle of September, it can be the test of this line. Here, September 15. So, guys, just be ready for the next this week by the almost end. So, just guys, hold on 21 days, and I think we will see some market decision for that tokens. So nothing good and nothing bad now on the market because the people too panicked now. We move up like I don't know, from 5K up on a BTC. Everybody say, oh, it's an organic move. We go into the moon. After that, we dump and wrecked. Everybody say it's manipulation. So guys, all targets relevant. No rush. Just don't. What I personally do, I'm not cut the losses for some positions. I'm just wait. So imagine, guys, like conclusion of this video, imagine you wait 2 years. You wait all of these downfalls, this one, these drops, you wait. These drops, you wait. To out potentially 2 months before the main rally, the last simple stop. So just wait a little bit more. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write this in a comment what you think about a crypto market now. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.